everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to install Debian 11 instead of Windows 11. Just pretend this is Windows 11. I don't have a Windows 11 ISO saved, so just pretend this is Windows 11. So what are we using right now? We're using around like 20 gigabytes of storage. This is a 40 gigabyte drive, and we also have like this light mode that we can't change without a product key, and this annoying fucking Cortana shit, and some bloat over here, and it's a shitty fucking browser. So anyway, let's choose our disk. And home, downloads, Debian 11. Okay. So now let's restart. Boot device. I'm going to do the graphical install. Okay, here we are. English, United States, American English. Okay, that first name is fine. Continue with main name. For password, the lazy password. Sure. Okay. Eastern. Now for partitioning, I'm just gonna use the entire disk. Follow small partition. Oh, that's good. There's partition. Yes, right disk. Now we're just gonna wait for it to install the base system. Okay, I'm not gonna scan extra media. Yes, that's fine. Now it's gonna configure altitude. Okay. And after the popularity contest, it's just collecting pretty much what the most popular packages are. So I'm just gonna say no to this. Default setting. Now for desktop environment. I'm just gonna choose XFCE. It's the smallest one. I think it is. It's a nice looking desktop environment too. We're just gonna wait for this to complete. Okay, so now we're gonna install the bootloader. By default, it's a grub, and the device we're going to install it to is dev.sta, the main disk in the system. Well, the install is done, so we're just going to press continue, and the disk should eject itself. Yeah, it should. And now we're booting into Debian 11. Here we are. So enter your username and your password, and now we are in the desktop. So yeah, that's how you install Debian 11 instead of Windows 11. There's a few things I'm going to do here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a dark, make it absolutely a dark, or I don't even know how to say that. Okay, so we now have a slightly better environment here. I'm going to get rid of this bottom panel right here. And then we're going to do some extra setup. By default, your user does not have sudo information, so I'm going to add etc sudoers add the user to this file. Or you can add it to a group and then add that group to the sudoers file. And there's also a backports for Debian 11. I have it right here. So we're going to sudo nano/etc /app/sources.list, and here we're going to add the Also sorry for the backwards. I'm just gonna make a comment here, backwards. Then we're gonna type in dev http://dev.debian.com. Steven bullseye backwards name contrib non-free. Wait, no, it's not that. Contrib. And then update. And all our packages are good to go. And if you are using a NVIDIA or AMD GPU, you will have to install the right drivers of them. You can just Google how to do that. It's pretty easy. Just install some packages because all Debian, or like most of the Debian installs, don't come with, or actually don't have non-free software on them. And most of the drivers are closed source, so you're gonna have to download those. Some of the AMD ones are open source, so you can use those too if you want to. Yeah, that's how you install Debian 11 instead of Windows 11. Goodbye.